you like it? Say it. How does it taste?
Yojo, sweet moments start here.
Yojo, sweet moments starts here.
Something that I really like from here is their different toppings that can be added here, especially the red velvet. It's really, really soft. And their ice cream isn't super sweet. It just has the right amount of sweetness. So that's what makes it super delicious.
Yeah,
What
and
about
it,
you?
for me kasi, because it's our favorite kasi, like the yogurt ice cream. And I guess this one could be on the top. Yeah.
Yojo's sweet moments start here. Sorry. Or that it's different from the regular yogurts that you are tasting or that you could find here in the Philippine market. And I appreciate that it also includes the kcal or calories per serving. Thank you.
10 guys, try nyo na to. Sobrang sarap.
Yes, definitely would recommend. 10 out of 10. Biggest right.
Okay. Yojo, sweet moments start here.
Okay. Product is good, very fruity, very acidic, better than Yao Yao, better than any frozen yogurts I've ever tasted.
Lasang branded. Ano ba yung mga branded na ganito? Premium taste. Visit. Number 1. Kita mo number 1 kaagad.
Sweet moments start here.
Sweet Moments starts here. Order na kayo sa Yugel. Sweet Moments starts here.
Yes.
Yogel, sweet moments start here.
Yogel, Sweet Moments start here.
Yojo, sweet moments start here.